Он не разорвавшийся.
Hi guys, it's Yad from Warthog Defense. Welcome back to the channel. When we first heard speculation that Ukrainian President Zelensky has replaced Chief of Staff Valery Zaluzhni, Warthog Defense reported that according to available information, that was not true. However, now it's official. Zaluzhni has been replaced by the commander of the ground forces, Oleksander Sirsky. Zaluzhni is remaining in command, but his role is still unclear. Will this make any difference on the battlefield? We will see.
President Zelensky has announced the replacement of Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, General Valery Zaluzhni. In a slightly vague post on social media, Zelensky said, "I met with General Valery Zaluzhni. I thanked him for the 2 years of defending Ukraine. We discussed the renewal that the armed forces of Ukraine require. We also discussed who could be part of the renewed leadership of the armed forces of Ukraine. The time for such a renewal is now." Ukraine's defense minister Rustem Umerov confirmed Zaluzhni had been removed from his post. Today, a decision was made to change the leadership of the armed forces of Ukraine. I am sincerely grateful to Valery Fedorovich Zaluzhni for all his achievements and victories. Zelensky said he's asked Zaluzhni to continue to be in the team. Speaking after his dismissal was announced, Zaluzhni said, "The tasks of 2022 are different from those of 2024. Therefore, everyone must change and adapt to the new realities as well, in order to win together." Zaluzhni will be replaced by Oleksander Sirsky, who has commanded Ukrainian forces defending Kiev and Kharkiv. Rumors about Zaluzhni's possible dismissal began circulating on January 29th, following a meeting with Zelensky. The social media rumor mill went into overdrive on Monday evening last week after several prominent politicians and journalists suggested Zaluzhni was about to be dismissed. In a post on Telegram, the Ministry of Defense said at the time, "Dear journalists, we immediately answer everyone, no, it's not true." The president's office also denied the reports. But over the weekend, Zelensky confirmed rumors that he was contemplating replacing Ukraine's current military leadership. Speaking in a recent interview with the Italian Rai News 24 TV channel on Sunday, February 4th, Ukraine's president emphasized the need for a leadership reboot and the importance of a fresh beginning for the country. "This is a question about the people who will lead Ukraine. Of course, we need a reset, a new beginning," Zelensky said, addressing rumors about Zaluzhni's potential dismissal. He went on to explain that the consideration extends beyond the military sector, indicating a broader overhaul of senior officials in various areas of the government. The clowns are woken up. Their little brains can't comprehend that managers can be replaced to improve effectiveness, that one person can accumulate a critical number of delusions that will lead to immense mistakes. They want to live under one master, commander by one master, and die for one master. Zaluzhni still resigns. This is rather good for Russia. Remember how many did not believe that a conflict between Zelensky and Zaluzhni was really brewing in Ukraine. Now he has already matured, broken through, and will give through the consequences. Of course, we expect an armed coup from Zaluzhni and subsequent capitulation. This is much more interesting than going to London and criticizing the current Kiev government from there. However, Zaluzhni can also request Volga surrender. Russian ammo stockpile destroyed by a professional Baba Yaga operator.
Он не разорвавшийся. А? Но. Вон там реактивки. Это здесь детонировало. Почему? За что? Да ты шо? Где? Да? Ну тебе надо дать медаль, конечно. И не одну. Тебе очень много медалей надо дать. Да. Вчера тут было. Сегодня ночью было тут. Жарковато. Вот так вот ЕГА отработала. Отработала свои харчи. Надо трос с нее смотать. Трос хороший. Да, жесткач, что тут было сегодня ночью. Да, вон дыра, но. Вон, дыра. Какая. Пиздец. Запаска, вон. Рулон проволоки остался. Кстати, хорошая проволока. Она сейчас опаленная, мягкая. Смотри, фары. Фары целые остались.
На удивление, да?
Ну, фары целые остались. Не выскочили нихуя. Но она ювелирно, да, вчера оба отработала?
Пиздец, да. Это одна и та же работа.
Просто профессионал какой-то отработал. Ох, что тут было ночью, блядь. Трах-бабах был до утра, хуля. Да. Вон те еще БКшки не сработали, да?
Avdiivka, February 2024. A zone of total genocide by the Russian army. Demolished buildings, hospitals in ruins, destroyed playgrounds. This is the true face of Putin, of Russia. Video by Yuri Butusov.
Ось так ми бачимо черговий житловий квартал Авдіївки, який повністю знесений російськими авіабомбами. Все це сталося буквально за останні десь 2 тижні. Авдіївку просто не впізнати. Буквально все рівняється бомбами разом з місцевими мешканцями, які залишаються в підвалах. Російська армія абсолютно не щадить нікого, прикриваючись словами про руський мір. Зона суцільного геноциду. Авдіївська вулиця. Ось такий приватний сектор. Ось таке тут руйнування. Дев'ятий квартал Авдіївки. Тепер це місце виглядає так. Місце найстрашніших руйнувань. Будинки знесені, розвалені, розбиті. Тут був останній магазин Авдіївки, але все на плошки все більше. Працював, але все це знищено. Люди якось виживають, тягнуть дрова. Паляться пічками.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay with Warthog Defense for the best updates on Ukraine. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.